Hello, how are you? Hope so you're great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mahmud Shamim, and today's lesson is about get and how to use get in your spoken language and get expressions with some structures I will discuss today. Okay, let's get started. Get plus married. Okay, here married adjective. Okay, so first of all we have to know about adjective. Adjective, what is adjective? What do you mean by it? Adjective is a word that refers or that indicates something about a noun or pronoun. Just for example, I'd like to say Biva is a beautiful girl. Okay, so beautiful here is an adjective, and after that girl is a common noun, and the girl is Biva. Okay, so beautiful modifies the noun. Okay, refers to the noun Biva, so that we call it adjective. Okay, so get married. Married here is adjective. Okay, so married past form, past partial form. Okay, so we have to know about past participle. So I'd like to say one verb, go, past form went, and past partial form is gone. Like this like this marry. So marry, present form married, past form, and also married, past partial form. So we use here married, and it refers to past partial form. Okay, when you use get before verb, so the verb should be past partial form. Okay, so I'd like to say one sentence. Mr. Khan is getting married next year. So here getting, okay, after the word getting, after the word should be married. Married is a past partial form. So next, just next example, get divorced. Get divorced is a structure, and divorce, I think, adjective, divorce past partial form, and example would be Jack got divorced 10 years ago. So get divorced mean, what do you mean by it? So we should know, first of all we should know the meaning of the get divorced. So I'd like to say the meaning of get divorced: someone who is divorced from their former husband or wife, has separated from them, okay, is no longer legally married to them. That means get divorced. Okay, I wanna say one sentence more. Get plus angry. Okay, so here is a angry. Okay, angry is an adjective. So adjective, adjective angry, and the sentence would be: my sister gets really angry when I borrow her clothes without telling her. Just for example. Okay, so here angry adjective. So next sentence would be get tired. Tired is an adjective, and it is past partial form, and when you use get, okay, before verb, and the verb should be past partial form, and the sentence would be I am getting tired, let's go home. In another concept, we can understand it is continuous process. Okay, so I am getting tired, let's go home. Okay, next sentence, next structure or phrase would be get plus lost. Okay, lost is an adjective, so the sentence would be Mr. Rohim got lost the road. Okay, when naturally we use get in our spoken language, actually we don't know use how to use get, how should be expressions by using get in our spoken language. Actually we don't know that. Okay, so before using get in our spoken language, we should know the proper use of get. So let's next sentence would be, Mr. Rohim got lost the road. Okay, the another sense, get lost meaning go away. Okay, so when you use get lost, the phrasal verb, I think it has two concepts, it has two sense. Okay, and the example get lost from my side means, the sentence means you are telling them to go away. Okay, you are telling them to go away because you don't want them near you. That means get lost. Okay, get lost meaning is here, meaning to here. Okay, so when you use actually get in our spoken language, sometimes we mistake when you try to use get in our spoken and try to speak with another. So we do mistake sometimes, but when you will know the correct use of get, I think you will not mistake next time in speaking. Okay, that's all for today. In my next videos, okay, I will give you more informations with new sentences regarding get, and I think from my next videos you would learn many things with many expressions and how to use get properly in your spoken language. Okay, lastly, I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you might get many videos with many informations. Okay, that's all for today. Bye for now. Bye bye. Take care.